Agape is a committed and chosen love, a sacrificial love demonstrated by action.
We are Josh and Rachel, and this is our sailboat Agape. She's been our home for 5 years now. She has allowed us to travel in a new way by giving us the opportunity to slow down in a busy world, to be present, to appreciate the little moments. Two years ago, we pushed off the dock and waved goodbye to our friends and family. We set sail in search of not only the world's most beautiful beaches, but also wild places, challenging conditions, and raw adventure. Sailing around the world for us has been about exploration, growth, and courage. Building a strong connection with our planet and the people who inhabit it. We strive for a deeper relationship with nature and with where our food comes from. We seek out opportunities to experience new cultures and find ways to give back and serve the communities we come in contact with along the way. When we first purchased Agape, it felt like she was a turnkey boat. But like all boats, she needed some work, and we soon had a list of upgrades to do before setting sail around the world. By doing the work ourselves, we gained invaluable experience that would pay off in the long run. Agape originally came with a Xantrex True Charge 2 40 amp charger, and it served us well for the first few years of living aboard. But as we upgraded some of our systems and began requiring more power, we decided to upgrade to the Xantrex Freedom XC inverter charger. Make sure to check out our next video where we share our experience installing the new inverter. And stay tuned as we continue to explore the world, powered by Xantrex.